Cash Dot Diamond System. The Cash Dot Pad system provides a medium to high gloss shine on concrete that is new and hard troweled or old concrete that has been processed to a minimum 100 grit finish. The Cash Dots are also effective for light restoration of polished concrete surfaces that have lost their shine. The Cash Dot pads are made of a rubber backer that has resin diamond pads fixed to it that yields a life of 9,000 square foot or 900 square meters. The tool is attached by velcro attachment for quick and easy changing. The Cash Dots are always used with water and are available in multiple sizes up to 21 inch or 533 millimeters. The Cash Pads can even be used on hand machines outfitted with a velcro driver. The Cash Dot system is made for use to polish concrete and is color-coded and numbered for easy use of the system. For the best life, production, and result, STI recommends using the Cash Pads on the STI propane or electric-powered PMB21 burnisher outfitted with the gray driver. For attachment, the Cash Dot pad is attached to a white pad of the same size, and then this is attached to the gray driver. When used on a PMB21 burnisher, the cost of the Cash Dot system is less than 1/3 a cent per square foot or 3 cents per square meter.